Good morning, guys, from Wildwood. It's a beach day, so see you down in the streets.
RenterForest.com.
So we are back at it. We're going to the beach. Decided to bring the Canon to get a different view. I'm not sure how the GoPro is gonna take the recording, so we're back at it, beach bound today. I want to say yesterday we found this under the path here, right under the boardwalk, and we could cross right to the beach instead of walking through and down the stairs to the boardwalk. Under the boardwalk. So, fun fact, yesterday, I know I mentioned it on the GoPro, but I'm going to re-mention it here on this camera. A guy said it's about 0.7 miles to the beach. Okay. And again, I am repeating myself, but those stands, it's for the Harley Davidson event. I honestly thought it was for fireworks, but it's not. This last night closed a little around, let's see, about 12:30-ish. It closed. Okay. Super tiring walking this, as you can see by the voice. It's really nice today. Today's gonna be in the high 80s here. Great beach day, and we might have hit up the pool after we do the beach. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a special dinner going on, so you definitely want to watch that. That's going to be more towards the middle end of the video. I'm gonna see if I could get closer to the stands so you can see the Harley Davidson. It says Harley Davidson on the side. Let's see if I could get it. Take my word for it, if I walk that way, it's gonna leave me a little off. But it says Harley Davidson on the side, and they do bike racing here on the sand. Normally old school Harley Davidsons. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Very famous. What do you guys think about my new sunglasses? Bought them in the boardwalk. Actually I bought two. Saved a few dollars by buying two. Looks nice. These are brownish. Finally made it to the water. Later on, this will be completely underwater. About another 100 feet to the beach. Beach day. Let's go get closer to the water. Today is 4th of July officially. Lifeguards. Definitely can't go too far in the water because I do not have a water resistant case. Let's turn it around. so bad, right? Once you're in the water.
Yes, it's really nice. Better than yesterday.
Oh yeah, it's definitely warmer than yesterday. I can't go too far with the camera because it's not water resistant or anything, or I don't have a case like the GoPro. Drop the camera and hit up some vitamin D, guys. Enjoy this 4th of July. Hope everybody's safe. Okay, I will be posting this sometime during the week, all these videos I've been doing here, just because it's gonna take time to me to edit and make sure it's where I like it to be. I really like these glasses. Looks good. Ooh, Pops is now closer. There he is. Show him here. There he is, yo man. Let's go see what a água hoje tá mais quentinha. A little bit. Once you're in here, better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. Yeah. Está bastante gajas aí olha, a fazer vídeo também e fotografia. Olha aquela ali. Conclusão do caralho. Well, okay, now I'm officially going back up there. Oh yeah, I just want to say I saw a couple of paisans, a couple of Portuguese people. I definitely seen a bunch of Brazilian, which they also speak Portuguese. Just wanted to say that. So I'm gonna probably end it here, guys. I'm gonna have something to drink right now and cool down, sit down on the chair, and I'll probably either vlog again throughout the middle of the day still here at the beach, or on my way back to give you any last pointers that happened, anything that happened I should say. So see you shortly. Couple of hours, it's already mid-afternoon, and as you can see, I am red as a lobster. It was an excellent beach day. Of all these days we were here, today was definitely the best beach day so far. I think I'm burned. And it was super packed. We started being away from people like 25 feet, and the beach got packed before lunchtime. Probably people away from us like 5 feet away. But it's been excellent. And of course I'm tired, walking almost a mile of sand. I'm tired with all my beach gear and the camera. So back to the hotel and get ready for tonight. So I will bring you along as well. So see you shortly. What's up, guys? So it's been a few hours after beach. I'm all showered up, all dressed up. As you can see, I'm hitting up the town. We are trying our favorite restaurant. We come to Wildwood all the time. So I will bring you with me and hope you enjoy. See you. That 2 mile in, I think I'm gonna get the surf and turf, the 2 mile surf and turf. What about you?
I'm gonna get the royal seafood
Royal seafood combination. Shrimp, scallops, fish, crab cakes. Yeah, that sounds good too. And you? Vai buscar a mesma coisa? Come. Are you gonna get the tail or no, Rabo? You guys can share. You guys share. You guys share. Yeah. Alright, that sounds good. That sounds good. The appetizers just arrived. Raw oysters. And the Clams Casino. Clams Casino, right?
Yes.
I'm breaking all my rules. Raw oysters are so good. Raw oysters are so good. I'm not putting more tomato because or else. I'm cheating as it is. Because of the gout. Salad. I am having the surf and turf. Ma, what are you having?
A combination of seafood.
Combination of seafood. And Dad is having
Combination of seafood with the lobster tail.
Okay, guys.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Everything is wonderful. Thank you.
Oh, can you bring the sangria?
All the sangria.
Sangria. Red.
Just the glass.
2 glasses?
Yes.
Glass red.
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Do you make pictures? Like a picture?
A pitcher.
Yeah.
We just serve it.
Serve it glass. Okay. Alright, that's fine. Yep. How's your fish dish?
Delicious.
Yeah. Mine's delicious too. We're definitely gonna have to walk this out in the boardwalk. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, thank you so much. Here's more napkins. O sauce, põe aqui. You got it. O sauce, o barbecue sauce tá um pouquinho picante. Porque o peixe. Tá aqui o menu. Peixe, diz peixe. Não será peixe espada? Hoje aqui tem peixe espada. Mas diz peixe. Tá bom. It's really good. Well, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my meal. Just finished dinner at the Crab House, 2 Mile Inn. Excellent spot, always my favorite. Famous Wildwood sign. The center. I remember coming here and this was being built. Damn, how crazy is that? Parking spot right there, 50 bucks. Here's a different view. That's the boardwalk down there. Oh, bumpy. And today it's officially 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Just arrived outside the hotel. Dinner was awesome. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will put pictures as well, and as in my Instagram as well. Now I'm going upstairs, gotta put some more comfortable sneakers and heading to the boardwalk, so see you shortly. What's up, guys? So I'm gonna end the vlog here. It is crazy. It's a madhouse in the boardwalk, so I'm gonna hang out on the boardwalk, probably get a few things in the boardwalk, and just relax the rest of the night. So I hope you like today's vlog, and see you on the next one. Oh yeah, and one more thing, guys. Happy 4th of July. That's why today is crazy, and I'm deciding not to vlog the boardwalk. You guys have seen the boardwalk during the day and at night, so hopefully you guys understand. And as you can see, it is a crazy house. Crazy house tonight. So see you again on the next one.